Hi, it's Adas,
Hello, Audrus.
and today we are speaking about the docking solutions. Travel dock, docking station, or monitor with the docking? That's a good question. And I would say something like 4 years ago, we were the first one to start using a term modern workplace. So that was a definition once we speak about the full workplace solution where user connects his laptop just with one USB-C cable without any need to have extra devices on the table to get his monitor or peripherals connected. Today we see that monitor sales with integrated docks has actually skyrocketed, but at the same time we see that demand for travel docks and regular docking stations are very high as well. Because of that, we would like to help to navigate our partners how to select the right solution for the customer, which fits the best according the budget and according the needs in his workplace.
Okay, let's start from definitions. Somebody might still remember we had mechanical dockings, so it's not existing anymore. Now we have cable docking, travel docking, and monitors with docking solution. So travel docking or USB-C dockings are the small devices that with a single cable can connect to your PC and expand some ports or connect multiple monitors. Lenovo Professional Monitors has a docking functionality as well. It has very same features. With the same single cable, you can connect your laptop and have some more ports in the back of the monitor or connect more monitors via daisy chain solution. So Lenovo in its portfolio have the travel docks, cable docks, and docking monitors. They look very similar. They are connected with the cable to your PC device and give some additional functionalities. But how to choose the correct one for your usage?
So we will run through different criteria which might, give the answer for the user which solution fits his needs the best. If the user is working with just one external monitor, travel dock is actually a great solution, especially if the user has a working monitor that does not need a replacement. So as you can see in the image, Lenovo has USB-C slim travel dock, which is one of the latest solution from our travel dock portfolio. So it supports one external monitor and gives you extra ports if needed. The other travel docking solution, which is also absolutely new, is called Lenovo USB-C dual display travel dock. So as the name indicates, is a travel dock with port expansion, but it supports two external displays. And that might be a game changer in this price range that this device will offer. But if the user is also in a need to change a monitor as well, I would say ThinkVision T-Series monitors that supports USB-C functionality with integrated docking is also a very great solution because user gets all the ports at the back of the monitor to connect his peripherals. At the same time, latest T-Series ThinkVision monitors with USB-C functionality supports power delivery for at least 75 watts, which means it is enough for regular ThinkPad to be charged. For two monitor setup, which is most likely the most popular nowadays in companies or corporations that we are selling our products to, there are so many different docking solutions to be sold, but I would like to cover the most popular ones that we are selling the most. So ThinkPad Universal USB-C docking station is the most popular solution that we are selling nowadays, and clearly why. So it supports two monitors, actually even up to 3 if needed. With 4K resolution. It charges system unit for up to 100 watts, and it has all the needed ports for expansion, including LAN and USB or USB-C extra ports. The other docking station that users actually really loves is called ThinkPad Hybrid USB-C with USB-A dock. And this one is actually like really special docking station because it can be connected both by USB-C cable or by USB-A, the regular USB adapter that is coming together with this device. So it actually fits any system unit for the customer, and it is so universal. It has quite similar functionalities like the previous dock I was mentioned. It supports 2 external monitors in 4K resolution, and it provides the power delivery of 90 watts. If user has a plan to change the monitor as well, so for 2 external monitor setup, they need to choose a ThinkVision monitor which supports daisy chain functionality. So that's a functionality which allows connection between the monitors using DisplayPort cable. So in other words, user connects his laptop to the first monitor by USB-C cable and the second monitor to the first monitor by DisplayPort cable. The easiest way how to select the right ThinkVision monitor that supports this functionality is actually going with the ThinkVision P-Series professional monitors, because all ThinkVision P-Series monitors with USB-C functionality supports daisy chain. For 3 or 4 monitor setups, cable docking is actually the best solution because cable dock does not cause latency of the visuals because the signal travels directly through the dock. As you can see in the picture, Lenovo has so-called smart dockings. So USB-C smart dock supports 3 4K resolution displays, while Universal Thunderbolt 4 smart dock supports 4 4K resolution displays. These docks are quite special compared to the rest of the docks because these Azure Sphere enabled smart docks securely connect to the cloud, so your IT team can remotely monitor and manage them, keeping workers productive no matter where they are working from. And if your customer prefers higher speeds, we have Universal Thunderbolt 4 dock, which is slightly less expensive compared to the Thunderbolt 4 smart dock, but provides quite similar functionality just without remote Azure Sphere management capabilities. The last dock for 4 monitor setup is called Thunderbolt 4 Workstation dock. So, as the name says it all, it's specifically built for workstations, in our term for ThinkPad P-Series mobile workstations. Why? Because the workstation is equipped with super powerful processors and super powerful graphic cards, meaning those requires lots of energy. And this docking station can provide a power delivery for up to 230 watts, which is actually needed for that heavy systems. And of course, as a disclaimer, once we are speaking about the 3 or 4 external monitor supports, we always need to check the laptop capabilities because not every single device supports that much of external displays.
Now, talking about the ergonomics, so both solutions, visuals and dockings are connected via USB cable. This cable with the monitor solution goes directly into monitor, and then you can have a more clear desk. While connecting to a docking gives an additional device or a small box on the desk. Even though from ergonomics perspective, the desk will not be that clean, but it has some advantages. It's not always convenient to connect some accessories or some USB-C devices in the back of the monitor, especially if you are doing that very often. The other thing is that dockings are having some front ports, so you can easily access it and much faster. This docking actually you can put under the table or mount on the visual leg, so it will look much nicer or cleaner your desk. The other feature that some of the dockings has advantages against the monitors is the power mirroring button. This feature allows you to turn on the PC with button click on the dock. It is especially convenient, for example, if you're using your laptop with the closed lid. You're coming in the morning, push one button and everything turns on. If to look at the visuals with docking solutions, they also have this function, but just on limited models.
The second criteria is the power delivery. And starting with the travel docks, it's a different story. So the new USB-C slim travel dock supports charging for up to 45 watts. So actually that's kind of a compromise because you cannot experience a rapid charge with this device, but yeah, device will be charged. A slightly different story is with the newest Lenovo USB-C dual display travel dock, because with the regular power adapter it supports charging for 65 watts, but you can connect like more powerful 135 watts charger and it supports charging then for 100 watts. It is quite similar story with our most popular, most selling docking station yet, with universal USB-C dock. So this charges the system with 65 watts if you are using the charger which comes in the box, but at the same time you can get 100 watts of power delivery if you connect 135 watts charger to the docking station. Anyway, I would say 65 watts is quite enough for regular worker because device will be definitely charged. But if we are speaking about the other docking stations we were mentioning, like slightly higher level docking stations, all of those are supporting at least 100 watts of power delivery. So it's totally enough for any regular laptop to be charged. And once we are speaking about like heavy machines, our workstations, we need to understand that 230 watts of power delivery is a must. And in this case, we should always go with the ThinkPad Thunderbolt 4 workstation dock, which is just built for that system. And if the user selects a docking solution together with the monitor, our ThinkVision monitors, the latest generation monitors, supports at least 75 watts of power delivery, and majority of the professional ThinkVision P-series monitors supports the power delivery of 100 watts.
In our previous episode, we were reviewing the Dock Manager software, so if anybody is interested, we invite to watch that episode. But what about the device management solutions that we can offer with our dockings?
So if we are speaking about the device management, I would say Cable Dockings has the best functionality. So I will cover 3 features of those. The first feature, pre-boot execution environment boot. So a docking station equipped with PXE support allows a laptop computer to connect to a network and boot from the server or network-based image without needing its own storage device. It is beneficial for IT departments and businesses as it allows for centralized management and software updates or operating system installations, and easy troubleshooting and recovery processes. MAC address pass-through is a feature in ThinkPad cable docking station that allows the docking station to pass MAC address of the connected device through to the network. So in simpler words, when a laptop is connected to a docking station with MAC pass-through enabled, the network sees the device as it is were directly connected to the network via Ethernet using its own MAC address. Wake on LAN is a feature that allows a computer to be powered on remotely over the network. This can be particularly useful for IT administrators or users who need to access their computer remotely without physically pressing the button on the device. So these features are really great for the docking solutions, but just make sure your selected ThinkPad supports those as well.
So we have spoken quite many criteria about our cable dockings, travel dockings, and monitors with docking solutions. So let's give a final words to our partners how to select the right solution. If customer works with one monitor, go with travel dock or T-series visual with Type-C support. If customer is working with 2 or more visuals, then you need to go for a cable docking and P-series visual. If you need enough power delivery to charge a laptop, both cable dockings and docking monitors will do the job. Docking monitors and cable docking supports power delivery 90, 100 watts, so you can charge your laptop pretty fast. But if you have a customer which needs really powerful charging for the workstations, you need to select Thunderbolt 4 workstation cable dock.
Cable docks are the best in terms of port expansion. But if you just have like regular mouse, keyboard, or a headphone to connect through USB cable, so docking monitor will do the job as well. If we speak about ergonomics, so the winner here is the monitor docking solution, because this one provides a fully clean desk environment with just one USB-C cable on the desk. And manageability criteria. If the company needs to manage their workplaces, cable docking is the best solution because it supports PXE boot, MAC address pass-through, and Wake on LAN functionalities. So what's about the budget?
If there is a need for a simple one monitor solution, so a travel dock, slim travel dock is the most cost efficient. The solution with visual and this dock can cost around 200 euros. And if to compare with the Type-C visual, the cost of this solution can be around 300 euros. Now, if there is a need for 2 display setup, for example 24-inch, still a travel dock solution with dual display support is a little bit more cost efficient. This setup can cost around 400-500, while a solution with daisy chain USB-C monitor will cost above 500. And it's basically the same with 27-inch solution. Still, a travel dock is a little bit more cost efficient. But one thing to note is that this travel dock with dual display support has not that much USB-C ports, only one USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. So if you need more ports, you need to go for universal dock, and this costs additionally 60-70 euros, which brings basically the cost at the same level as having docking monitors. And then if you need to connect more than 2 monitors, a workstation, or need some additional manageability features, there's no doubt you should go for a cable dockings.
So a docking topic could be a very simple topic if you just go with universal solutions like universal USB-C dock, because I would say it fits like 95% of the customer needs. But you know, if you are on a budget or you need different functionalities, management capabilities, then you are on those 5% where you need to check system capabilities, you need to check compatibility matrices, and so. And it can become a really complicated topic for you. So I hope we helped, and thanks. Stay tuned for the next series.